Dental plaque is a common issue, but it's one that can be permanently managed with the right knowledge and habits. Plaque, the sticky, colorless film of bacteria that constantly forms on our teeth, can lead to serious oral health problems if left unchecked. The bacteria in plaque produce acids after you eat or drink, which can attack tooth enamel and lead to decay. Worse, if plaque isn't removed, it hardens into tartar, a substance that only a dentist can remove. In this video we will uncover the secrets to keeping plaque at bay forever, without needing a dentist's intervention every few months. Understanding dental plaque and its causes. Dental plaque is a biofilm that builds up on the teeth, and it's often caused by a mix of lifestyle and diet choices. Sugary and starchy foods are especially harmful because they fuel bacteria in your mouth, which then produce plaque. Poor oral hygiene habits, like not brushing or flossing regularly, allow plaque to form unchecked, while lifestyle factors such as smoking can also increase plaque buildup. But with a few adjustments, you can tackle the root causes of plaque. Understanding these causes is the first step toward keeping your teeth and gums healthy for life. Easy steps to prevent plaque. Brush regularly and correctly. Brushing your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time is essential to remove plaque from your teeth. Use a toothbrush with soft bristles and fluoride toothpaste. Make sure to brush all surfaces of each tooth, using gentle circular motions. Electric toothbrushes can also help ensure thorough cleaning. Floss daily. Flossing is crucial for removing food particles and plaque from areas your toothbrush can't reach. By flossing daily, you're preventing the buildup of plaque and reducing your risk of cavities and gum disease. Make it a habit and you'll see a noticeable difference in your oral health. Use an antibacterial mouthwash. A good antibacterial mouthwash can help keep plaque-causing bacteria under control, especially in areas that brushing and flossing might miss. Choose a mouthwash that targets plaque and freshens your breath. Limit sugary foods and drinks. Sugars and carbohydrates feed the bacteria that create plaque. By limiting sweets, sodas, and snacks, you're taking a huge step in plaque prevention. Opt for healthier snacks like apples, which can naturally clean your teeth, or fibrous vegetables that stimulate saliva production. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps wash away food particles and bacteria from your mouth. Saliva, which is mostly made of water, naturally cleanses your mouth, so staying hydrated helps your body prevent plaque naturally. Eat crunchy, natural foods. Foods like carrots, celery, and apples are not only healthy but also help scrape away food particles and bacteria from teeth, reducing the risk of plaque buildup. Simple natural remedies for plaque control. Oil pulling. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for about 10 to 15 minutes can reduce harmful bacteria, prevent plaque, and support gum health. Coconut oil has antibacterial properties that are gentle yet effective in keeping your mouth clean. Baking soda. Mixing a small amount of baking soda with water and using it as a toothpaste once a week can be effective in removing plaque and brightening your smile. The role of routine dental checkups. While there's a lot you can do to prevent plaque buildup, regular visits to your dentist are important. Dentists can catch early signs of gum disease, remove tartar, and provide professional cleanings that go beyond daily oral care. By following these tips and making a few simple lifestyle changes, you'll be well on your way to a cleaner, healthier mouth that's free from plaque for good. Watch the full video to learn each tip in detail, and be sure to incorporate these practices into your daily routine. If you are still watching, then you are very serious to improve your teeth and gum problem, then you are at right place. Here's something special for you, listen it with very carefully. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.